In this video, I will show you how to turn on microphone in a Zoom meeting in PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started with this, as you can see I'm currently here in a Zoom meeting. The first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner where you can see this audio button down here. Now if you do have a red line going through your microphone, this means your microphone is currently turned off. So what you want to do is give that a click and that's going to unmute your microphone. As you can see, the microphone is now working. You can see the green bar is going up. If you've unmuted your microphone but you're still not getting any sound through, what you want to do is click onto the small arrow next to the microphone icon and make sure that the correct microphone is being used. So in my case, you'll see I've got a couple of different options. Microphone array is basically the inbuilt microphone, but I've got an external microphone, a Yeti microphone connected. So of course that's the one that I've ticked. So you want to make sure the correct microphone is selected from this list. Once you've done that and made sure that your microphone is unmuted from here, you could now be able to talk and you should have now turned on your microphone in your Zoom meeting. So that is how to turn on microphone in Zoom meeting in PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.